Hello, good afternoon. My name is Michelle Alejandra Vargas Villegas. Please meet El Carmen de Bolívar. El Carmen de Bolívar, located in the geographic system of the Montes de Maria. It is on the which city of Colombia, and part of its economy is based on the processed foods such as chapacorinas, cupcakes, quesadillas de coco, and panoches. Which is the visit the Hill of la Canzona, where is a spectacular vista climatic. The wearers can observe the summer with it. The recreational center were used. The best gastronomy of the municipality. Day 2 of the tour of the Central Park where come enjoy with of the friends and family and with good the Santander Park on the cube of the Park of Molongo. We find the famous fast food such as pizzas, hamburger and the outre. Day 3 of to say goodbye of the municipality, con which the Chapacolino factory is the most traditional thing that of tour cantonment of municipality, on which it facilitates and preparation the week and up with and great friends of the people of it and the ñaco, with its famous chicharrones con yuca. We can on the effort break on luge. She is our tour of the municipality of El Carmen de Bolívar. Thank you.